Hello everybody, this is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello my friends. So months ago, one of my subscribers asked me to get the Scrub Daddy. I saw the Scrub Mommy and all the rest of that stuff. So I was intending on getting it, but it took me a while, so I got it now. This was my male subscriber. I'm so glad that you suggested this. So I got a lot of dirty dishes. That I'm going to use the Scrub Daddy on, y'all. Put my dish detergent in here. So I got the Scrub Daddy at CVS. It's Flex Texture Scrubber, soft in warm water, and firm in cool water. Why is it firm in cool water? I don't know, y'all. But they say it's scratch free. I'm safe on non-stick pans and other delicate surfaces. Test in small area first. Scrub Daddy is dishwasher safe. Scrub Daddy is dishwasher safe. Rinse clean. It can be sanitizing your dishwasher. Deep cleaning. My eyes provide an ergonomic grip with just 2 fingers. Wow. Versatile smell. My smell cleans both sides of your utensils. That's going to be helpful to me. So, let me get this Scrub Daddy out. Look at that big smile, y'all. Isn't that cute? They say the Scrub Mommy has the softest surface on the back. This is so far solid on both sides. Let me put it. I got this. All this stuff in here. Let me see. The Scrub Daddy is going to do this nasty. Oh, Scrub Daddy. You're doing a good job. You're doing a great job, Scrub Daddy. It's cleaning well, but I want it to be softer. I want it to be softer. So maybe the water isn't warm enough, because they said that it's soft and warm water. So I'm going to warm this water up. Oh, okay. So it did soften up. So I keep these little utensils here, like if my Chinese food come in or something, and this way if I go somewhere and take my lunch, I can just toss it after I use it. I also keep them to, like, put my food, my leftovers in. So, oh, this scrubs both sides. Look at that, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Hope y'all can see. Yes, y'all can see. nice and clean. Let me try it on this cup. Very nice. I'm going to try that scrub mommy too. And the scrub uncle, whoever else comes along. I may try it. Yeah, so it is softer when you warm that water up. It's softer. You can clean it this way, or you can put it in his mouth. That big smile. You know what though, honestly, I like it the other way. All this to me, just for me, it may not be for nobody else. I can just take the rag and clean my forks and stuff and spoons faster to me. But that's a nice little feature up there. Plate here. All these look like the plates, some of the plates that they have like at the Pancake House. A friend gave me these plates. And I tell you, they do not break. The person that gave it to me is a wealthy person, and the first time I said, I don't want no more plates, but all the other plates that I brought, some of them broke up, but not the plates there. So let me put some more dirty dishes in here. So my subscriber that mentioned it, I forgot your name. I'm sorry about that. I forgot your name. It's another one of these plastic containers here. That's very greasy. You know, I got water squirting everywhere. They say you can use this for your tub and stuff too. So that's good. Your tub and your shower. I don't know why I got this thing here. This is what I normally use. It works well. But this is about the Scrub Daddy. Scrub. I hope this camera's not about to go out, y'all, but I think it is. So, if it goes out, I will be scrubbing here. I'm almost done, actually. Subscriber, I hope you get to see this video because you asked for this a while ago. I think I showed it in CVS, but I didn't get it. I kept saying I was going to get it. I don't know why I was putting it off because it don't cost that much. Only like $5 and something. That's not bad. Put this cup here. This goes out. I just wanted to show y'all how it works. This is another old pan, a pot rather, it's dirty, that somebody gave me a long time ago. And I know it looks old, but it works so well. I done had this when my daughter was one and a half, because where I was staying, the people gave me this at the time, and I still got it all these years. I got to look for the top to it, but I be using, you know, some of the other tops that I have with it. It's like almost like cast iron, but it's so heavy. I started to say something what I could do to somebody with this if they come near my door and start acting crazy, because it's so heavy, y'all. And this pot is discolored, but I will never get rid of it. So I think that's just about it. Oh yeah, with some wash the rebel away. I'm going to pour this out and rinse these dishes. I thank you so much for watching. I thank you so much. I can almost picture your name, sir, but I don't want to get it wrong. He said, Sasha, can you please do the scrub daddy? He made sure he wasn't going to let me review that scrub mommy first, right? Get you rinsing. Here, like that. Get soapy, I just pour that water out. This is perfect for me. How nice and clean that is, y'all. Scrub daddy. Oh, that was pretty quick. If you have tried the scrub daddy or the scrub mommy or the scrub, please let me know in the comment section how you like it. This is not sponsored, but it could be one day. So I gotta act like I got some sense, you know. I know I'll be acting like I don't have no sense, y'all. Alright, so have a wonderful day. Let me get the rest of this one. Now I'm gonna, before I leave, you see how it squeezes the warm water, and not really hot water, just warm. I'm gonna put it in the cold water, just I want to see how it starts to get hard, like they're saying. Oh, it is getting harder. Yes. That sounds like a good drain, yeah, right? Yeah, it's harder. But I like it soft. I like it to stay soft. I'm going to keep doing it with the warm water. Take my drain out. So that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.